10th class students, our running topic is progressions. So from the chapter, today I am going to explain 6.1 exercise problems. Write first four terms of NAP. You have to write first four terms. If A value there and also D value there. So by using the A and D values, you have to write the first four terms of NAP. See solution. In first question, what is the A is equal to? A is equal to 10 and D is equal to also 10. So yesterday I explained to write any term of AP. First you have to know the nth term of AP. What is the formula to find nth term of AP? An is equal A plus n minus 1 into D. Now I need first term. So replace that n by 1. A means 10 plus n minus 1 means 1 minus 1 into D means 10 is equal to 10 plus 1 minus 1 0. 0 into 10 is equal to 10. So first term of AP is 10. Then after I need a second term. So replace that n by 2. A plus n minus 1 means 2 minus 1 into D. A means 10 plus 2 minus 1 means 1 into 10 is equal to 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Next I need third term. A3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. A means 10. 3 minus 1 2 into 10. So 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Then after I need fourth term. So how we can write here? A plus 4 minus 1 into D. It means A means 10. 4 minus 1 means 3 into 10. So 10 plus 30 is equal to 40. Required four terms are first term is 10 and 20 and 30 and also 40. So these are the first four terms of given AP. Then in second question, what is the value of A? A is equal to minus 1 and D is equal to 1 by 2. A is equal to minus 1 and D is equal to 1 by 2. What is the nth term of AP? An is equal A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is equal to minus 1 and D is equal to 1 by 2. So first term means A1 is equal to A means minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 1 by 2. Minus 1 plus 0 is equal to minus 1. Now I need second term. A2 is equal A plus 2 minus 1 into D. What is the meaning of A? Minus 1 plus 1 into 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Now I am taking 2 as LCM. Minus 1 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 1s are 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Then after I need third term. A3 is equal A plus 3 minus 1 into D. What is the meaning of A? A means minus 1 plus 3 minus 1. 2 into 1 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Next I need fourth term. A4 is equal A plus 4 minus 1 into D. What is the meaning of A? Minus 1 plus 4 minus 1 means 3 into 1 by 2. It means minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So 2 is the LCM. Minus 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So required 4 terms are minus 1, minus 1 by 2 and 0 and 1 by 2. So these are the first 4 terms are A is equal A plus n minus 1 into D. So A1 means first term is equal A plus 1 minus 1 into D is equal. What is the meaning of A? 4. Plus 1 minus 1 means 0 into D means minus 3. 0 into something 0. It is nothing but 4. Next to find the second term A2 we can write as A plus 2 minus 1 into D. What is the meaning of A? 4 plus 2 minus 1. 1 into minus 3 is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Then third term A3 we can write as A plus 3 minus 1 into D. What is the meaning of A? A plus 2D. A is nothing but 4. A3 is equal to 4 plus 2 means 2. D means minus 3. 2 into minus 3. So 4 plus minus 6 is equal to minus 2. So third term of the AP is minus 2. Next what I need? Fourth term means A plus 4 minus 1 into D. What is the meaning of A? A is nothing but 4. Plus 4 minus 1 means 3. 3 into minus 3. It means 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 5. So what are the required first 4 terms? First term is 4 and second term is 1 and third term is minus 2 and fourth term is minus 5. So these are the required first 4 terms of the AP. If they form an AP, you have to find the next 3 terms. So from the following, which is form an AP? If that forms an AP, you have to find the common difference and also next 3 terms. Here is the questions. First question, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2. 3, comma 3 plus root 2, comma 3 plus 2 root 2, comma 3 plus 3 root 2, so on. Next root 3 comma root 6 comma root 9 comma root 12 comma so on. 2 comma 5 by 2 comma 3 comma 7 by 2. For example, if I took minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2, if that one is forms an AP, you have to find the common difference and also next 3 terms. Next 3 terms means already I know 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. You have to find the 5th term, 6th term and also 7th term. First you have to check whether that forms AP or not. What is the first question? Minus 10 comma, minus 6 comma, minus 2 comma, 2 so on. Yesterday I told. First you have to check A2 minus A1. A2 means second term minus first term. What about the second term? Minus 6 minus half minus 10 is equal to minus 6 plus 10 is equal to 4. Then after A3 minus A2, what about the A3 here? Minus 10 minus half minus 6 is equal. Minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 4. Then after A4 minus A3, what about the fourth term? 2 minus half minus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2. So here every time common difference is equal here. The difference between the A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. Here common difference is equal. So it forms an AP. It is an AP series. Now I need next 3 terms. To find any term of AP, first you have to know nth term of the AP. What is the nth term? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now I need a 5th term. A 5th is equal. What about the A? A is nothing but first term of the given series. That is minus 10. N minus 1 means I need 5th term. 5 minus 1 into D is nothing but 4. So it is minus 10 plus 5 minus 1, 6 into 4. Is equal to minus 10 plus 24 is equal to 14. So 5th term is 14. Thereafter what is here? 6th term. That is nothing but A5 plus D. What about the 5th term here? 14. Here 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 4 4 is 16. Minus 10 plus 16 is nothing but 6. So next term is 6. Next what I need here? A 6th. 8th plus and 5th term plus common difference. What about the 5th term? 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Next I need 7th term. That is nothing but A 6th plus D. What about A 6th here? 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. So what are the next three terms? Next three terms are Next three terms are 6, 10, 14. What about the second question here? 3, 3 plus root 2. 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. So on. First you have to check whether that is AP or not. A2 minus A1 is equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 cancel. Root 2. Next A3 minus A2. A3 means third term is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus second term 3 plus root 2. It means 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 and minus root 2 plus 3 minus 3 cancel. 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2. What is the answer? Root 2. Next what I need here? A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3. What about the fourth term here? 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 and minus 2 root 2 plus 3 minus 3 cancel. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is nothing but 1 root 2. So every time common difference is equal. It is an AP with a common difference. Is root 2 with common difference root 2. Now this is AP. Next I need next three terms. So first, second, third, fourth. Already I know first 4 terms. Next what I need next 3 terms. It means you have to find the 5th term, 6th term and also 7th term. A 5th. See here 3 root 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. Next one 3 plus 4 root 2. Next one 3 plus 5 root 2. Next one 3 plus 6 root 2. So these are the required next 3 terms. Next question root 3 comma root 6 comma root 9 comma root 12. First you have to check this is an AP or not. If this is an AP, you have to find the next 3 terms. See here root 3. Root 6 I am writing as root 2 into root 3. Similarly root 9 I am going to write as root 3 into root 3. And root 12 is nothing but root 3 into root 2 into root 2. Now I need the difference between the second term and also first term. A2 minus A1. What about the second term? That is nothing but root 2 into root 3 minus first term root 3. So from this I am going to take root 3 as a common. Then what is the remaining here? Root 2 minus 1. Then after A3 minus A2. A3 means third term. What is third term here? Root 3 into root 3 minus second term root 3 into root 2. So from this what is the common? Root 3 I am taking as a common. Then what is the remaining here? Root 3 minus root 2. Then after A4 minus A3. Fourth term minus third term. What is the fourth term here? Root 3 into root 2 into root 2 minus root 3 into root 3. So from this what I am taking common here? I am going to take root 3 as a common. What is the remaining here? Root 4 minus root 3. See here every time Here what is the common difference? Root 3 bracket root 2 minus 1. Here common difference root 3 bracket root 3 minus root 2. Here common difference root 3 bracket root 4 minus root 3. See, every time common difference is not equal. Here a2 minus a1 not is equal a3 minus a2 not is equal a4 minus a3. Here common difference not equal. If common difference not equal, that is not an AP. It is not an AP series. If that is not an AP, no need to find the next three terms. Then what about the fourth question here? 2 comma 5 by 2 comma 3 comma 7 by 2, so on. First a2 minus a1, it means 5 by 2 minus 2. What is the LCM here? 2 is LCM. Then 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Next a3 minus a2, 3 minus 5 by 2. Here 2 is an LCM, so it is 2 is a LCM here. 3 into 2 minus 5 by 2 is equal to 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 5 means 1 by 2. Next a4 minus a3. What about the fourth term? 7 by 2 minus 3. Here what is the LCM? 2 is LCM. Then 7 minus 3 into 2 is equal to 7 minus 6 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. See, every time the difference between the a2 minus a1 is 1 by 2. And also a3 minus a2 is 1 by 2, and also a4 minus a3 is 1 by 2. So here common difference is equal. Here a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to a4 minus a3. So it is an AP series. If that is AP, you have to find the next three terms. It means already I know 1, 2, 3, 4. First 4 terms. You have to find the fifth term. To find any term of AP, first you have to write nth term. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. I need fifth term. A pi is equal a plus pi minus 1 into d. A is nothing but first term of that series. That is 2. 5 minus 1, 4 into. What about D here? Common difference 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Fifth term is 4. Next I need sixth term. A6 is equal A plus 6 minus 1 into D. What about the A here? 2. Plus 6 minus 1, 5 into 1 by 2. It means 2 plus 5 by 2. 2. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 by 2. Next I need seventh term. A plus 7 minus 1 into D. What about the A? A is nothing but first term of that series. What is that? 2. Plus 7 minus 1 means 6 into 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. 3 plus 2, 4. So required next three terms are 4 and 9 by 2 and